Okay. Hello everyone, welcome to OpenTeach project. It's Salar. My name is Salar, developer of OpenTeach project. And in this crash course, I want to show you how you can use OpenTeach project in STM32 Cube IDE. The IDE of ST Microelectronic Company. Okay, but before starting talking about and introducing OpenTeach project, let's see the website of this project, www.openteachproject.com. Let's see this website. Here is the website of OpenTeach project. You can find some information about this project in this website. By clicking on this link, YouTube, you can see the YouTube of this project. And in this YouTube channel, you can find a lot of video lectures about this project. This project completely taught in a lot of video lectures. Okay? By clicking on GitHub, you can find the codes of this project. This project is open source. And if you want to donate and support this project, by clicking on this button in this page, you can donate my project by using of cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Litecoin, and Ripple coin. By using of these addresses, you can support my project. You can donate and support my project. But let's back to the slide. But what is OpenTeach project? OTP. OTP stands for OpenTeach project. But what is OpenTeach project? At this time, it's an open source RTOS, real-time operating system. You may know you can use RTOS. You can use an RTOS to develop an embedded project in microcontrollers or other processors. Okay? So, OpenTeach project is an open source RTOS, but not only it's an open source project, but also it's completely taught in video lectures. Okay? As you saw here, there are a lot of lectures, video lectures, that's related to this RTOS, and by using of these lectures here in playlist and in RTOS playlist, there are a lot of videos about this RTOS, and by using of these videos you can find out what is under the hood in an RTOS, what is behind the scene, and you can develop your own RTOS. Trust me, you can do that. You can develop your RTOS. In some parts, I introduced the Linux and programming in Linux, programming by using GCC, using GNOME Makefile, and other tutorials. This RTOS implemented on Cortex-M microcontrollers. You can find a lot of information about ARM assembly programming. You can find a lot of information about ARM compiler and linker. You can find some information about data structure, and finally, you can implement your RTOS. You can implement an RTOS by yourself. It's easy. Trust me, it's so easy. So, OpenTeach project is an open source RTOS, and it's completely taught. You can't find these informations anywhere. Okay? This is a complete tutorial to developing a real-time operating system. But if you want to know how you can develop an RTOS, visit OpenTeach project YouTube channel. You can develop your RTOS by yourself. But in this crash course and in this tutorial, I want to show you how can you use OTP OpenTeach project RTOS in STM32Cube IDE. How you can port this RTOS in your project in STM32Cube IDE and develop professional projects by using of RTOS. Okay, so in this short tutorial, I want to show you how you can use this RTOS in STM32Cube IDE to develop projects for STM32 microcontrollers.